Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. So in last class we learned what is an ism, what is a fi'l, what is a harf. Alhamdulillah. Now let's take up these. Simplest thing is a harf. Harf is something which does not give a complete meaning unless another word is attached to it, right? So we'll start from the beginning and we'll go by the process of elimination. We'll go by the process of elimination. A table, it gives a meaning, so it is not a harf. Dallas, it gives a meaning, it's not a harf. Jumps, from does not give a meaning by itself. So from is a harf, because if I just say from, you're like, what do you mean from? So from does not give a meaning by itself, so that is a harf. On is a harf. A is a harf. At is a harf. Okay. Cake gives a meaning by itself, something very delicious. Okay, don't talk about it. Country gives a meaning by itself. So so from the first table we found out which all are the harf, right? Similarly, now just let's take up fi'l just from this first column. All right, what do we have to remember about fi'l? Fi'l is something that is stuck in time. Table, is table stuck in time? I don't think so. Is Dallas stuck in time? I don't think so. Is the word jumps stuck in time? Jumps, so it is stuck in time definitely, because jumps by itself it would sound awkward. Let's use it in a sentence. He jumps, right? For identifying fi'l, if we just put it before he, after he or she, we'll get a better idea. He jumps. So if when we say he jumps, he is doing the jumping right now, so it is stuck in time. So he jumps is definitely a fi'l. So on, a, at we did before. Cake is not stuck in time. Country is not stuck in time. So by process of elimination, what all is not a fi'l and harf is a noun. Table is a noun, ism. Dallas is an ism, and cake is an ism. Country is an ism. Okay. Catch is simple, off is simple, peace is simple, slept is a fi'l. Freedom is an ism. This is something which will be considered as an idea. We cannot touch, we cannot see freedom. It is something which is felt, so this will be considered as an ism because it is an idea, right? Makkah is an ism because it is a place. Students are ism because it is the name of a person or people, more than one. Typing, okay, typing is something a little bit complicated in English. In Arabic it is not complicated. So for example, I would say typing, how can we identify a fi'l? He is typing, so it is stuck in time. He is typing, so that means I am doing the he is doing the typing right now. That is a fi'l. But at the same time, if it is not used in a sentence, if it is used in sentence, we can find out if it is an ism or ism or a fi'l. But if we are looking at it alone by itself, typing can be an idea. Okay, how I can create a sentence? I love typing. When I'm saying I love typing, am I doing the typing right now? Will I be doing the typing later? Did I do the typing before? There is no act in it. This is an idea. Typing is an idea here right now. I love typing. I love cooking. I love driving. Similarly, all these ing words can be considered as an ism. Like for example, I am typing, I am driving, I am cooking, so based on a sentence, typing can be considered as an ism and also as a fi'l. So we'll be writing fi'l or ism for this. Simple enough, alhamdulillah. Don't worry even if it gets difficult, because in Arabic, when we'll be doing Arabic and in sentences, we'll be very easily identifying it. It's not a big thing. America is the name, is an ism. Why? I'm asking this because I just want you to give me the answer. Of course I can't hear you, but give me the answer when I ask you why America is the name of is an ism. Because it's the name of a place, correct? In, what is in? In is a harf. In does not does not make sense by itself. Okay, loudly, a word ending with the ly, it is an ism because it is an adverb. Tall is an ism. Why is it an ism? Because it is an adjective. A tall man, so it describes a noun, it describes a person, so it is an ism. Soundly, another word ending with ly. Red is an ism because colors are something which describes a noun, like a red car, red flower. So red is something that describes another ism, so red will be considered as an ism. Mada, of course, name of a person. Roller coaster, name of a thing. House, name of a place. Smiles, can you give me the answer? Very simple. Use it, try and use it in a sentence. He smiles, so it is stuck in time. He is doing the smiling right now, so this is a fi'l. Alhamdulillah. Okay, and every ism has 4 properties, so this will be inshallah the next class. Every ism has 4 properties and we will be doing this in detail inshallah. Alhamdulillah. Okay.